Saudi Arabia is a land of contrasts. It has vast deserts that stretch as far as the eye can see, with golden sands that shimmer under the blazing sun. It has high mountains that rise majestically, offering breathtaking views and a sense of serenity. It has a beautiful coastline that hugs the Red Sea, with crystal clear waters and pristine beaches that invite you to relax and unwind. The coastline is dotted with vibrant coral reefs, teeming with marine life, making it a paradise for divers and snorkelers. This country will amaze you with its diverse landscapes and natural beauty. From the vast, empty deserts to the lush green valleys, Saudi Arabia is a land of endless surprises. Come and discover its hidden treasures. Explore the hidden oases that offer a refreshing escape from the desert heat, with their cool, clear waters and lush vegetation. Marvel at the towering mountains that provide a stunning backdrop to the desert landscape. Many people think of deserts when they think of Saudi Arabia, and while the deserts are indeed a defining feature of the country, there is so much more to discover. But Saudi Arabia is much more than just sand. It is a country with a rich and diverse landscape that includes towering mountains, lush valleys, and beautiful coastlines. It is a country with a diverse landscape that offers something for everyone. Whether you are an adventurer seeking thrills, a nature lover looking to explore, or someone simply wanting to relax and unwind, Saudi Arabia has it all. It has something to offer everyone. From the thrill of exploring the vast deserts on a camel, to the tranquility of hiking in the mountains, to the relaxation of lounging on a pristine beach, there is something for everyone in Saudi Arabia. From the towering cliffs of the edge of the world, where you can stand on the edge and feel like you are on top of the world, to the pristine beaches of the Farasan Islands, where you can relax and soak up the sun, Saudi Arabia's beauty is undeniable. To the pristine beaches of the Farasan Islands, where the clear blue waters invite you to take a dip and explore the vibrant underwater world. Saudi Arabia's beauty is undeniable. It is a country that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Let's embark on a journey to explore some of the most scenic areas this country has to offer. From the vast deserts to the towering mountains, from the lush valleys to the pristine beaches, Saudi Arabia is a land of endless beauty and adventure. So come and discover the hidden treasures of this amazing country and let its beauty take your breath away. The Empty Quarter, also known as Rub al-Khali, is the largest continuous sand desert in the world. It stretches across a vast expanse of the Arabian Peninsula, covering an area of approximately 250,000 square miles. This immense desert covers much of southern Saudi Arabia, extending into parts of Oman, the United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. Its sheer size and scale are truly awe-inspiring. Imagine a sea of sand stretching endlessly in every direction, as far as the eye can see. The horizon seems to blur into the sky, creating a surreal and mesmerizing landscape. The dunes here are not just ordinary sandhills, they are colossal formations that can reach over 800 feet high. These towering dunes are constantly shifting and changing shape due to the relentless winds. The wind sculpts the sand into beautiful, intricate patterns, creating a dynamic and ever-changing canvas. The ripples and ridges formed by the wind are a testament to the natural artistry of the desert. The Empty Quarter is a harsh but beautiful place. The intense heat and arid conditions make it one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth, yet its stark beauty is undeniable. It is a testament to the power of nature, showcasing the raw and untamed forces that shape our planet. The vastness and solitude of the desert evoke a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. Walking through the Empty Quarter, you can't help but feel truly small and insignificant in the face of such grandeur. It is a place where one can find solitude and reflection, far removed from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The silence and stillness of the desert offer a unique opportunity for introspection and a deeper connection with nature. Al-Wahba crater is a natural wonder. It is located in the western region of Saudi Arabia. This crater was formed by a meteorite impact millions of years ago. It is a massive hole in the ground. It is about 1.2 miles wide and 820 feet deep. The crater's floor is covered in white salt deposits. It creates a striking contrast with the dark volcanic rock. Jebel Firain is also known as the Edge of the World. It is a towering cliff face that offers breathtaking views. This dramatic escarpment plunges down to the desert floor, It seems to mark the end of the world. From the top, you can see for miles in every direction. The views of the sun setting over the horizon are spectacular. The edge of the world is a popular destination for hikers and photographers. Section 5. Farasan Islands, Jewels of the Red Sea. The Farasan Islands are a group of islands. They are located off the coast of Jazan in the Red Sea. These islands are known for their pristine beaches. They are also known for their crystal clear waters. The islands are home to a wide variety of marine life. This makes them a popular destination for diving and snorkeling. Section 6. Al-Ula, Ancient City of Stone. Al-Ula is a historical and cultural treasure. It is located in northwestern Saudi Arabia. This ancient city is home to numerous tombs and structures. These have been carved into the sandstone cliffs. These structures date back to the Mada'in civilization. The most famous of these is Mada'in Saleh. Mada'in Saleh is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Section 7. The Enchanting Mada'in Saleh. Mada'in Saleh is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Nabateans. Like Petra in Jordan, Mada'in Saleh boasts intricately carved tombs. These tombs stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era. They are adorned with elaborate facades and inscriptions. These provide glimpses into the lives and beliefs of this ancient civilization. The sheer scale and detail of Mada'in Saleh are awe-inspiring. Section 8. Hiking through nature's gallery in Wadi Disah. Wadi Disah, nestled in the Tabuk province, is a hidden gem. This valley is a hiker's paradise. Towering sandstone cliffs enclose the valley. Palm trees and crystal-clear pools dot the valley floor. As you hike through Wadi Disah, you'll be surrounded by towering cliffs. The cliffs are adorned with ancient petroglyphs. These carvings offer a glimpse into the region's past. Section 9. Exploring the green heart of Asir. The Asir region, located in southwestern Saudi Arabia, is a stark contrast to the desert landscapes. Asir is known for its lush green mountains. These mountains are often shrouded in mist. Traditional stone villages cling to the slopes. The Asir region offers a unique perspective on Saudi Arabia's diverse beauty. It is a place where you can escape the heat. Section 10. Diving into the pristine waters of Yanbu. Yanbu, a coastal city on the Red Sea, is a haven for divers and snorkelers. Its pristine waters boast vibrant coral reefs. These reefs teem with marine life. Divers can encounter a kaleidoscope of colors. From colorful fish to graceful sea turtles, Yanbu's underwater world is a sight to behold. Section 11. Your next adventure awaits. Imagine a place where ancient history meets modern luxury, where vast deserts stretch as far as the eye can see, and where towering mountains offer breathtaking views. This is Saudi Arabia, a land of endless possibilities and unforgettable experiences. Saudi Arabia is a land of wonder. From the golden sands of its expansive deserts to the crystal-clear waters of its coastlines, this country is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. The shifting sand dunes create a mesmerizing landscape that changes with the wind, while the coastal areas offer serene and picturesque views that are perfect for relaxation and adventure alike. It offers something for everyone. For the history buffs, the ancient ruins and historical sites tell stories of civilizations that date back thousands of years. Imagine walking through the remnants of ancient cities, feeling the weight of history with every step. For the adventure seekers, the rugged mountains and vast deserts provide the perfect backdrop for hiking, camping, and exploring the great outdoors. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or nature, you will find it in Saudi Arabia. The rich cultural heritage is evident in the intricate designs of traditional artifacts and the vibrant festivals that celebrate the country's diverse traditions. Nature lovers will be captivated by the stunning landscapes, from lush oases to dramatic mountain ranges. Which of these amazing places would you like to learn more about? Perhaps the ancient city of Al-Ula, with its rock formations and historical significance, or the bustling city of Riyadh, where modernity meets tradition. Maybe the Red Sea coast, with its pristine beaches and vibrant marine life, is calling your name. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that you love and find useful. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and let's start a conversation about the wonders of Saudi Arabia. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the stunning landscapes of Saudi Arabia. It's been a pleasure to showcase the beauty and diversity of this incredible country. From the deserts to the mountains and everything in between, Saudi Arabia is a destination that promises adventure, discovery, and unforgettable memories. I hope this has inspired you to add this beautiful country to your travel list. Whether you're planning your next big adventure or just dreaming of future travels, Saudi Arabia offers a wealth of experiences that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting travel content. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best travel tips, guides, and inspiration from around the world. Stay tuned for more adventures, and until next time, happy travels.